In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and delete a site using manage.wix.com. Whether you're tidying up your dashboard or permanently getting rid of a site, this guide has you covered. The first step is simple yet crucial. Navigate to wix.com and log into your account. It's where the foundation of all your site management takes place. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the central hub of your Wix activities, the dashboard. Now, within your Wix dashboard, you'll see a list of your sites. Here, select the particular site that you're intending to delete. You might have multiple projects going, but it's important to focus on the one you no longer need. This is critical, as selecting the wrong site could lead to unintended deletions. Once you've selected your targeted site, scroll down to find the Site Actions section. This area provides a host of controls for managing your site, and it's here that you'll find the tools necessary for site deletion. Proceed by clicking on Move to Trash. This action places your site into a temporary holding area, rather like putting old items into a storage box with the intention to sort through them later. This step is a safety net, allowing you to reconsider your decision before making it permanent. You must confirm this action, ensuring you're making a deliberate choice. For those of you considering complete removal, your site will remain in the trash section until you decide to manually delete it. This is an important feature of Wix, offering a final chance to retrieve your site if you second guess your decision. However, if you're certain about erasing it entirely, here's what you'll do next. From the dashboard menu, navigate to the trash section. It's like dropping by the dump to discard items for good. Once you're in the trash, locate the site you want to dispose of permanently. Be mindful during this process to ensure accuracy. When ready, select your site and proceed by clicking Delete Forever. This action is irreversible and removes the site from your dashboard and Wix servers completely. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage or even say goodbye to a site using manage.wix.com. This guide ensures you're making informed decisions while offering a safety mechanism through the trash section. Whether you're streamlining your projects or clearing out old sites, this step-by-step guide is your trusty companion in keeping your Wix dashboard tidy and organized. Thank you for watching, and remember to handle each site action with care.